Yo, what is up everybody, it's your boy Sigma Smith Meetin' Gay, and we are back with another adventure. This time we're headed to Siargao, the surfing capital of the Philippines. Let's dive into the top destinations you must visit. Alright, let's kick things off with the Big Kahuna, the reason surfers from around the globe flock to Siargao Cloud 9. This legendary surf spot is renowned for its powerful and hollow waves, making it a dream destination for those seeking the ultimate surfing challenge. Picture this: perfect turquoise barrels rolling in, each wave a masterpiece sculpted by nature. The waves here are not just any waves, they are the kind that surfers spend their lives chasing. The sun beating down on your face, warming your skin as you prepare to take on the ocean's might. The tropical climate of Siargao ensures that the sun is almost always shining, adding to the paradise-like feel of the place. And that electric energy in the air as surfers paddle out to meet their destiny. There's a palpable sense of excitement and anticipation, a shared camaraderie among surfers as they wait for the perfect wave. You can post up on the iconic boardwalk, grab a fresh coconut, and watch the action unfold. The boardwalk offers a front-row seat to the spectacle of surfing, where you can see surfers carving through waves with precision and grace, and just soak it all in. The atmosphere is laid back and welcoming, making it the perfect spot to relax and enjoy the natural beauty of Siargao. Even if you're not a die-hard surfer, there's something magical about watching the waves and the surfers who ride them. The sheer skill and bravery on display are awe-inspiring, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement. Cloud 9 is an experience you won't forget. As the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, the day's adventures come to a close, but the memories of this surfing nirvana will stay with you forever. Whether you're riding the waves or simply watching from the shore, Cloud 9 offers a slice of paradise that is truly unforgettable. Time to trade in the surfboard for some snorkeling gear. The adventure begins as you step onto the sandy shores, feeling the warm grains beneath your feet. The beach is alive with the sound of waves crashing and the laughter of people gearing up for an underwater exploration, and explore the Magpupungko Rock Pools. These natural wonders are a hidden gem, waiting to be discovered. From an aerial view, the pools look like sparkling jewels set against the rugged coastline. As you get closer, the intricate details of the rock formations become more apparent, each one telling a story of nature's artistry. Imagine crystal-clear turquoise water, shimmering in the sunlight, nestled within volcanic rock formations. The water is so clear that you can see every detail of the underwater world, from the colorful fish darting around to the delicate sea plants swaying with the current. The sunlight dances on the surface, creating a mesmerizing display of light and shadow. These pools only reveal themselves during low tide, so plan your visit right. Timing is everything here. Check the tide charts and make sure you arrive when the water recedes to unveil these natural pools. It's a fleeting window of opportunity, but one that's well worth the effort. As the tide goes out, the pools emerge, offering a serene and secluded spot for visitors. Snorkel around, soak up the sun on the rocks, or just float in the cool water and let all your worries melt away. The experience is both invigorating and relaxing. As you snorkel, you'll encounter a vibrant underwater ecosystem teeming with life. When you need a break, the sun-warmed rocks provide the perfect spot to relax and take in the breathtaking surroundings. Floating in the tranquil water, you'll feel a sense of peace and connection with nature that's hard to find anywhere else. Pack your sense of adventure and your GoPro, because we're heading to Sugba Lagoon. This hidden gem, amidst towering limestone cliffs and mangrove forests, is like stepping into another world. Rent a kayak or a stand-up paddleboard, and explore the calm waters at your own pace. Whether you're seeking adventure or a moment of zen, Sugba Lagoon delivers. Time to strip down literally and head to Naked Island. This tiny sandbar, completely devoid of trees and buildings, emerges from the turquoise waters like a mirage. The water here is crystal clear, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or just floating around. It's a place to disconnect, reconnect with nature, and experience the raw beauty of Siargao. Let's shake things up and head to Daku Island. This is the largest of Siargao's 3 famous islands, with pristine white sand beaches and swaying palm trees. Rent a bamboo hut, take a dip in the ocean, or grab a fresh coconut and soak up the scenery. Daku Island is the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Hop on a banka boat and head to Guam Island. This tiny teardrop-shaped island is the definition of picture perfect. Spend hours swimming, sunbathing, or relaxing in the shade of the palm trees. Guam Island is the perfect place to escape the crowds and reconnect with nature. Time to trade in the flip-flops for some water shoes. As you lace up, feel the excitement build. These shoes are your ticket to an unforgettable adventure, providing the grip and protection you need to explore the rugged terrain ahead. Imagine the thrill of stepping into a world where every step brings you closer to nature's hidden wonders, and embrace your inner Indiana Jones at Tayangban Cave Pool. This hidden gem, nestled in the heart of the jungle, offers a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. As you approach the entrance, the anticipation grows. The cave pool, with its mysterious allure, beckons you to uncover its secrets. The journey begins here, at the threshold of an experience like no other. Trek through lush jungle trails, cross bamboo bridges, and navigate rocky paths. Each step is a testament to the raw beauty of nature. The dense foliage, the sound of rustling leaves, and the occasional call of exotic birds create an immersive experience. The bamboo bridges, swaying gently underfoot, add a touch of adventure to your trek. The rocky paths, though challenging, reward you with breathtaking views and a sense of accomplishment. The cave itself is a sight to behold, with towering limestone formations and an eerie silence. As you step inside, the temperature drops and the air becomes cool and damp. The limestone formations, sculpted by nature over millennia, stand as silent sentinels. The eerie silence is occasionally broken by the drip of water, adding to the cave's mystique. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to connect with the ancient forces that shaped this subterranean wonder. Take a dip in the crystal-clear water, explore the underwater formations, and feel the refreshing embrace of the cave pool. The water, so clear that you can see every detail beneath the surface, invites you to dive in. As you swim, the underwater formations reveal themselves, creating a surreal landscape. The cool water invigorates your senses, making you feel alive and connected to the natural world, and soak up the unique atmosphere. The cave pool offers a serene escape from the outside world. As you float on the water's surface, the cave's natural acoustics create a soothing symphony. The play of light and shadow on the cave walls adds to the enchanting ambiance. It's a place where you can relax, reflect, and rejuvenate, surrounded by the beauty of nature. Tayangban Cave Pool is the perfect adventure for those who like to get off the beaten path. It's a destination for the intrepid explorer, the nature lover, and the thrill seeker. Here you can forge your own path, discover hidden treasures, and create lasting memories. Whether you're an experienced adventurer or a curious traveler, Tayangban Cave Pool promises an experience that will stay with you long after you've left its cool, inviting waters. Get ready to have your mind blown because we're heading to Sohotan Cove. This hidden lagoon amidst towering limestone cliffs and mangrove forests is like stepping into another world. Swim alongside non-stinging jellyfish, explore hidden caves, or kayak through mangrove forest. Sohotan Cove is a place that will stay with you long after you've left. Let's escape the crowds and head to Pacifico Beach. This hidden gem is a sanctuary for those seeking peace, tranquility, and consistent waves. Spend your days lazing on the beach, reading a book, or soaking up the sun. Pacifico Beach is a reminder to slow down, disconnect from the outside world, and reconnect with yourself. Time for one last adventure at the Masin River, home to the iconic bent palm tree swing. Swing out over the water, feeling the wind in your hair, and plunge into the cool, refreshing water. Rent a kayak or a paddleboard and explore the river at your own pace. Masin River is the perfect way to end your Siargao adventure. And there you have it, folks. 10 incredible destinations that'll make you want to pack your bags and book a one-way ticket to Siargao. Thanks for joining me on this epic journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.